Hey guys, it's Miss Lee Decca. I'm going to read to you chapter 10 today from Fish in a Tree by Linda Mullally Hunt, published by Puffin Books. Chapter 10 is called Promises, Promises. All right, Fantasticos, Mr. Daniel says, rubbing his hands together like a mad scientist. First thing I'm going to do today is book talk. I will do that a lot this year, tell you all about some of my favorite stories. When Mr. Daniels talks about books, it reminds me of Max or Oliver, like he's ready to launch a giant party. I like hearing about the story, but asking me to read them would be like asking a lobster to play tennis. And then it gets worse. He holds up a pile of notebooks. I have a surprise. I have a brand new writing journal for each of you, which you will write in every day. Oh no, I'd rather eat grass. But here's the thing. I will sometimes give you a topic, but not very often. And I will never ever, even if an evil sorcerer threatens to turn all my correcting pens to clear ink, correct your work. Huh? They will never be graded, they will never be corrected, and most days I won't tell you what to write about. You may write about your life, sports, the country of Bulgaria, your favorite kind of soap, books you like, books you don't like. Anything. Wow, I wonder if he's delirious. No correcting? Anything we want? This is too good to be true. I know something is coming. There are only a couple of rules. Ah, there they are, the rules. You must put pencil to paper and do something, and I will often answer with a sentence or two. You write back, Oliver asks. Can we grade you? Mr. Daniels laughs. We're not going to